This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn some more commands in GW Basic Programming Language. So first we will start with the edit command. You know, we are very much familiar with the word edit. It means to make some changes wherever it is desired, it is required. So this command is used to modify. Modify means to change a program line, and how it is done, let's see. First we will know its syntax, and the syntax is edit line number and then edit dot. So this is this syntax, the grammatical rule of this edit command. And now I'm going to have the interpretation of it, the explanation. So the interpretation is line number is the number of the program line which we want to edit. The period, this is called period, the dot symbol refers to the current line. So if we type edit and after that enter the line number, it means that we're gonna make some modification changes in that particular line number. But if we type edit with dot sign, a period, then it refers to the current line. So it means that we're gonna edit that particular current line. So we're now giving the examples of it so that it can be more clearer to you. So the examples are, the first example is edit 140, and it's an example. And if you type edit 140, then what happens? Let's see. It displays program line number 140 for editing. So it's very obvious, if you type a line number right after the edit command, then it displays the program name number 140 for editing, so that you can make some changes and modification as desired, as required. And if we type edit and a period sign, it should be mentioned right after the letter T, but there should not be some space. So this is very much, it's necessary that you should put the period, the dot symbol right after the letter T, otherwise it will not be executed. So it displays the current program line for editing. So this is how you can use an edit command in GW Basic. And now the one most important command in GW Basic, and the name is files command. We are going to learn today files command, and it says that this particular command is used to list the names of all files residing on the specified drive. Now I'm giving the syntax of it, and the syntax is files and then path name is the name of the path. So how it is executed, we will see. First we will type the interpretation, the explanation of it, so that it can be clear to you guys. Now we will talk about the path name is the optional parameter which, if omitted, means deleted. The command lists all files in the current directory of the selected drive. Wildcards such as an asterisk sign is called wildcard asterisk. It's known as asterisk, the symbol we have just mentioned over here. And question mark can also be used in path name. So we'll see how it is done. We will learn how it is done. So how all these wildcards such as an asterisk or a question mark and how they can be used as a path name, we will discuss it over here. Question mark is used to match any characters in the file name or extension, and asterisk is used for any file name or extension. Now I'm giving the examples. We'll give the example of files. It is used like list all files. If you type just files, then it lists all the files in the current directory of the selected drive. Let's say if we type just file, maybe as you can see that you can have all the files. You can see all the files in the current directory of the selected drive. Just by typing the files, you can see all these files. And the second example is if we type files with this quotation mark and then asterisk.doc, and then if we press the enter key, then we can see that we cannot find any file, not found. So basically, if we type files and then double quotation mark and asterisk.doc and then put a closing quotation mark, it actually lists all files whose extension is doc. So we don't have any file in that particular drive Z, so we cannot see any of it. But if we type like as far as I remember, I have files with an extension of BAS for basic files, then viewers, you can see that there are some basic programs files with the extension .bas can be seen, like DESU, in the description, LCM, sum of squares, and you can see reverse or towel, reverse four circle, HCF sum. You can see some of the basic files with the extension asterisk.bas, so we can see all the files with the help of typing the files command. And one more example is like I'm sorry, if we type files and then put quotation mark, type D, and then we type colon and then type asterisk dot asterisk and then put a double quotation mark again, closing double quotation mark, and press an enter key, then we can see that we cannot find any file. It's actually this command will list, this particular command will list all files on the D drive with any extension. so we cannot find any file in that particular drive. And if we type files and then type C colon asterisk dot asterisk and then put double quotation mark, then we cannot see any file in that particular drive. But let's say if we type like this command files and type D colon this way, and press double quotation mark, then again viewers, we cannot see any file. So it's actually list all the files with any extension, all the files in that particular drive. And if we just type this command files, we type mar question mark dot xls and then type double quotation mark, press enter key, then we cannot find any file because we actually wants to see the files whose extensions .xls and whose name consists of 4 characters like this 1 2 3 4, and first 3 characters of the name are mar and the 4th character could be any. So it is useful if we don't know the complete name of any file, like it contains March but any specific date of a specific year, but if we don't know the complete name, then we can just put the mar, then we can put the question mark, and then the 4th character be any character, and then we put dot and xl as the extension. Then we can find such file type in that particular folder. So we have learned today. Now I'm gonna explain this very files command for like this example I have just given above. .xls, it actually viewers, I'm gonna explain it. Files mar question mark dot xls and this double quotation mark again. Now it actually lists all files whose extension is xls, whose name consists of 4 characters and first 3 characters of their names are mar and the 4th character could be any. So viewers, today in this video we will discuss 2 different commands. One was the edit command, the second one is files command, and we have give the syntax. We have learned the syntax of both these commands as well, with the interpretations and some very good examples for better understanding and learning. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching.